So here's how to get Roblox backup codes on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up the Play Store and simply search for Google Authenticator. Here's the Google Authenticator application. First of all, you need to install this one. All right. Right after that, you need to go back and open up the Roblox application. And then from here onto the bottom right side corner, you will probably see the more option. Simply tap on that and scroll it down to the bottom and go with the settings, and then go with the security option. All right, right after that, as you can see, there are two options. So first of all, we need to open one of these. So you can either select this one. So after selecting that, it will take some time. Just wait for it. And now it is asking me a 6-digit code, which is given to my Gmail address. So I will open up my Gmail. There you go. So here's the verification code. So I will copy this verification code and simply paste right over here. There you have it. So tap on the verify. Now here I got a key, so I will copy this one and open up the authenticator app, and then from here we will tap on the plus icon onto the bottom side and simply go with the enter a key. So simply paste the key here and name it like Roblox, and simply tap on add, and there you have it. So here is one of the key I got. So I will copy this key by long pressing on it, and right after that we'll go back and simply paste right over here and tap on verify. So it will take some time, and as you can see, here is the backup codes. So these are the backup codes, but you cannot actually like screenshot this backup code. So you can simply copy or paste it into your notepad or anywhere else. So make sure to copy these to your notepads, otherwise you cannot screenshot it. So that's how you can get Roblox backup codes on your Android device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.